JekJek the Clown, back for another balloon art lesson just for you. This time around, we're going to learn how to make a very popular household pet, the ferret. I was inspired to learn how to make this one because a really close friend of mine has two pet ferrets, and one of them is white, just like this, and she is so beautiful. So I just had to teach myself how to make it, and to be honest, it was really simple and easy. So here's how you can make one too. Let's get started! Now the ferret is a very simple design, as it only uses one balloon. For this demonstration, I've chosen white, because even though I think all ferrets are adorable, the white ones are my absolute favorite. Air up your balloon about 3/4 of the way. Let some air out. And tie. You're gonna squeeze and stretch. And now let's begin. First, we're going to twist about a 2-inch bubble in the front for the ferret's snots. Now, you're going to twist 2 1-inch bubbles. And you're going to fold it over and twist those 2 1-inch bubbles together. We already have the head of our ferret. Now give it kind of about 3 inches for the neck. And now we're going to twist another 2 1-inch bubbles. Now, move down a good amount. I'd say about 6 inches. Because ferrets have really long bodies. And finally, one more time, 2 1-inch bubbles. Oops. Sometimes that happens. When that happens, you just twist them again. And now twist them together. And now you're going to squeeze the air left and try and distribute all the way to the tip. So you have a nice long skinny tail. And that's it! We are finished our ferret! Boy, that was easy, wasn't it? And now to draw the face. Now, your most common ferrets, the black and brown ones, they have a cute little bandit kind of pattern over their eyes. But the white ones, like I made, they're just pure white. And they have pink eyes. So I got my brand new pink Sharpie marker. And I'm going to use that same Sharpie to do a triangle nose at the tip of the snout. So far, it should look like this. Now I'm going to take the black one, and I'm going to give my ferret some eyelashes, because this is a pretty girl ferret. I'm not saying that boys can't be pretty too. Let's not do any gender stereotypes here. Both boys and girls and everything in between can be pretty if they so desire. Now I'm going to add 2 little nostrils on top of the pink nose. And finally a big ferret smile. And 2 itty bitty little fangs. And there we have it! There is our balloon ferret. A very simple design that's great for beginners. That concludes this lesson. Remember to practice, and if you pop balloons, it's okay, it's part of the art. So until the next video, I'm your girl, JekJek the Cloud. Keep on smiling and keep on twisting. Bye, guys!